And I just wanted to take you guys along this journey to putting them up because I know I'm about to be struggling. But let's begin. Alright, so I'm going to show y'all what's in here. The remote. And the LED lights. And I think I started on this side of my room because there's like an outlet right at the bottom. So here we go. Hopefully I don't break my neck on this chair. Alright, gotta be a little bit ghetto because I feel like this is too heavy, so I'm gonna tape it up. Alright, so I just got done putting up the LED lights around the room and they don't work. Like, I try to use the stupid remote, but it does nothing. It does nothing. The sensor thing is right there. And I keep trying to do it, but nothing is happening. So I might have to take these back or throw them away and buy me some more. But all that work just for nothing. Just gonna go lay down in my bed and be sad. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video. I'm just kidding, but yeah, thanks for watching.